3 individuals just paid to go to the International Space Station. AX-2 is a mission that just recently launched to and docked at the ISS. Operated by Axiom, a company aiming to build and operate the world's first private space station, AX-2 has successfully brought up 4 very interesting individuals. Former NASA astronaut Peggy Whitson, who is now an Axiom employee, is acting as mission commander. Whitson is widely regarded as one of the world's most experienced astronauts, with her previously having more time in space than any other American, with 665 days under her belt. Her extensive knowledge and leadership are proving invaluable for this mission, and for Axios in general. Then there is John Schaffner, a paying customer with no previous space experience. In fact, his background is actually in fiber optics, but now he considers himself a race car driver and skydiving junkie. And then there is Ali Al-Karni and Rayana Barnawi, 2 members of Saudi Arabia's first astronaut class. Al-Karni is actually a veteran F-16 pilot with extensive experience in aviation, while Barnawi, on the other hand, is a biomedical researcher who brings her scientific expertise to space. She is also notable as she is the first ever Saudi woman to go to space, marking a significant milestone for the country that is now trying to get into the space race. It was the Saudi government that paid for these 2 to be on this mission. Together, the crew of 4 will conduct 20 experiments over the course of 8 days, with 14 of the experiments having been developed by Saudi scientists. The research touches on several fields, including human physiology, cell biology, and even good old space construction. AX-2 comes on the heels of AX-1, where self-assembling satellite tech was tested and research was conducted on cancer stem cells and air purification. Axiom has said that while the research is conducted in space, the effects could benefit those of us on the ground. The opening of the ISS to private entities is driven by a shift towards commercialization and collaboration. NASA, the leading agency in this initiative, is actively promoting partnerships with private companies to expand access to the ISS. This change allows for economic opportunities, scientific research, cost sharing, and strategic international collaboration. This mission also aims to inspire kids in countries that typically don't get attention from astronauts to take up careers in STEM, and especially in the space industry, of course. And then, before they knew it, on the night of May 30th, the AX-2 crew safely returned to Earth aboard a SpaceX Dragon crew capsule, which splashed down in the Gulf of Mexico right off the coast of Panama City, Florida, completing the second ever private mission to the ISS. If you'd like to learn about the first private individual to charter a mission to space, click on the video on the right, where we learn more about the billionaire who likes to fly Russian fighter jets. Thanks for watching, and if you're subscribed, I'll see you in the next one.